Hello everybody, my name is Owen Vlogs. Hope your day has been good. Yeah, I am pumped, even though it's 8:34. But the surprise was this Fidget Cube. So it has all these. This makes it smoother. Why do these buttons not make sounds? It's weird. Okay, then you go like that, switch this on and off. It's you can move this around. It's cool. So yeah, guys, that's been all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash the dislike. Let's hope for 50 dislikes because, I'm greedy. And bye. Hello, everybody. Owen Vlogs here, and yeah, I have a fidget spinner. It's black and red. And these can come off. You can see the little ball bearing inside. So I can do a few tricks with this, but yeah, they're not really good. And the camera kind of picks it up weirdly. I don't know why, but kind of looks like it's going back and forth on the camera. So yeah, I can balance it on one finger. I can balance it on my thumb. And I used to be able to switch fingers. Oh, I didn't. So yeah, I'm not really good with tricks. I can switch hands. But yeah, bye. Hello everybody, Owen Vlogs here, and today I'm telling a little bit of a story about a fidget spinner. Like one of these. Or one of these. Or one of these. Yeah, you get the point. But I was with these kids with my friend a couple days ago. Actually a week ago. When I'm uploading this will probably be on Monday, so yeah. But yeah, so I was doing that. I was biking with my friend. I saw these kids. I'm like, what are they doing? And I saw this pink thing, and it was a pink fidget spinner. And they were trying to break it. And they got it in Florida. I heard them say that. So, they were scratching it on the pavement and stuff. So, when I went biking right now, I found this. A broken fidget spinner. It doesn't even work. It doesn't even spin. So broken. So yeah. I'm probably going to keep it. It's so hard to open. So yeah, that was the story. Then I was biking along. It was at one of the teachers' house. And yeah, I found this. It was sitting on the sidewalk, basically. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the story. Leave a like for more stories if you want to hear more weird stories. And yeah.